morning friends, welcome back. And in this video I am going to explain to you about position of adverbs. Even while we are learning this position of adverbs, we will try to learn about according to the types of adverbs. So today let us see the first type of adverb, how we can use it. So that is adverbs of manner. So already we learnt about adverbs of manner, and we can find this one by asking the question how. Okay, so how this adverb of manner is used or used in the sentence. First one, generally adverb of manner is placed after the verb. Now we can find examples. He wrote quickly. She spoke fluently. So in these two sentences we can find adverbs have come after the verb. Then the second one, if there is an object, the adverb is placed after it. After it means here after the object. Now let's see examples. I read the instructions carefully. So here the instructions is an object. So carefully has come after object. The second example is they sang the song beautifully. And again here the song is an object and beautifully has come after object. Then the third one, if the structure of the sentence is verb plus preposition plus object, the adverb can be placed either before the preposition or after the object. Once again I read, if the structure of the sentence is a verb plus preposition plus object, the adverb can be placed either before the preposition or after the object. Now let's look at the examples. She looked at me surprisingly. Now in this sentence we have seen that surprisingly has come after the preposition. Now she looked surprisingly at me, and here we can find the use of adverb before the preposition. So here the structure is verb, then preposition, and then object. So when we have structure like this, we can use the adverb of manner in any way, either before the preposition or after the preposition, in which we have seen in the given examples. So this is very important position where adverb of manner is used, that we need to learn. I hope everyone has understood this one. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.